shark.
We do this? How we do this?
All day, every day, baby.
It's coming. No. Come on, Tito. Don't let it go. Don't let it. Fish. Tiburon, papi.
Yes.
Tiburon, papi. You got it. Bring it in. Bring it in. Right there. Bring it in slowly. Slowly.
Yes, sir.
Vente para acá. Yeah. Bring it in. Bring it in.
You need to drop that? I don't know. What do you got on?
Shark.
Oh.
Big one. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Gordo. Keep bringing them snappers in, boy. Them chicken dinners. So we had a shark. We lost the shark. But we will catch another. We will not leave defeated. We will not be defeated. We're gonna get it and we're gonna bring it home. So my brother, you wanna tell us how it felt to lose your hat?
Feels awfully bad, you know. That's my favorite hat. So the wind picked it out of my head, went into the sea. I throw a couple of lines to try to hook it up and bring it back, and unsuccessful. I didn't do it. Then I right, and I saw this guy right here. This guy. He jumped and I'm like, are you crazy?
Hey, my brother,
Now we shot in the water.
hey, they're more scared of us than we are of them.
Don't use long neck hooks for a shark.
I still got my hat.
I'd rather have a shark than a hat.
So now the whole bigger deal to all this is we all got this little clip, and he had his clip that we all bought. Well, he bought all of us, and now he's gotta go and find another one. But it's not gonna be the original clip. It's not gonna be the original OG clip.
Correct.
So what are we gonna do?
Give me another one.
Okay, gotta get another one.
They already told me, don't worry, your hat is coming. So I just gotta go and get that hook clip. Amazon. He's not Amazon is not paying us no money for no advertisement or nothing like that.
Well, guys, we'll catch you later. Let's see what we can catch out here in Port Charlotte. We're at the Charlotte Harbor right now. Sun's coming down. Clouds are coming in again. Like the rain is following us. But we're okay. As long as it ain't thundering, we'll get wet. Catch you later. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're back home. We got about 7 snappers, 1 whiting, and 1 jack crevalle. I filleted the jack, I filleted the whiting, and now I'm here with the snappers all cleaned up, scaled them, cleaned out their insides, and got them looking pretty ready to be cooked. But before we cook them, we're gonna go ahead and season them. And us Spanish people tend to season our meats and everything we cook pretty well. So I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown of what are we using today to season this fish. So here we go. I'm using mojo. It's Spanish seasoning. Also some Puerto Rican sofrito. That's got a bunch of different herbs, peppers, spices, different things that we use. Minced garlic. And of course, Everglades seasoning. We got Everglades chicken and fish and chicken, and Everglades original. Thanks to our man Robert from Deer Meat for Dinner. Shout out to Robert. But here's the fish. I'm scoring them a little bit so we'll get some seasoning inside them. And then the finished product looks like this. They'll sit like that overnight in the fridge, covered. And then tomorrow, we'll be frying these puppies. And believe me, oh boy, they're gonna be good. But yeah, we'll get back to you guys here shortly and I'll show you with the finished product and everything looking. But those are the seasonings going into the fish. One more time. Mojo, Puerto Rican sofrito, minced garlic, which I took the mojo and the sofrito and I put it mixed in with the rest of the minced garlic and mixed it and made like a little sauce out of it. And then of course the Everglades. And boy, I tell you, the finished product you'll see tomorrow. Alright people, so I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on how I prepare the fish. I got my man Brian behind the camera. Brian, say hi.
Hi.
And I'm gonna go ahead and just show you real quick how is it I like to prepare the fish. So, like I told you, the fish is all cleaned up, all gutted out, everything's ready to go, right? So, take my knife, and these are happy slits. Why I say happy slits? Because all the good stuff gets inside the meat, and it makes it so much better. So, we slit it like this on both sides. So when I'm seasoning it, all that good stuff gets in there and makes it a lot more better. And this is just my way of doing it. I know everyone else does their fish differently. And I just been watching a lot of videos and learning and just taking upon myself and trying experiment different things. So I'll go ahead and hit it with some Everglades original, both sides real good. Not too much, you don't want to overpower all the seasonings. But I've learned that a combination of all these seasonings right here make this fish taste amazing. And after I do that, I'll go ahead and hit it with that dressing I told you guys I made and put that right over it like that. Oh yeah. Lather that in there a little bit so I get into all the cracks. Flip it over, do the same thing. Oh, that looks amazing. And of course, we gotta get a little bit on the inside and get all that goodness in there. And then that's it. We lay it in here with the other ones. And then tomorrow, they'll be ready to go. So stay tuned to see the finished product on this. So here goes the finished product, ladies and gentlemen, family and friends. Fish, all seasoned up, covered in onions. And then we got the whiting and the jack soaking in some other seasonings in here, including the mojo and some garlic. And tomorrow we will be feasting on this wonderful fish that we caught today. Okay, so with all this, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you get every video that we upload. And tomorrow we'll be cooking all this wonderful fish. That's why I like going out and fishing. You go out and catch your fish, catch your meal, come home, cook, and enjoy with your family. Ain't nothing better. And you build memories as you're doing it. So, God bless, take care, good night, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Later. So we're here starting our rice, arroz con habichuelas, and I like starting it with some bacon and oil, and let all the bacon grease get into the oil and give the awesome flavor to the rice. So we let that cook there for a little bit, and then we're gonna put in that special sauce I told you guys about yesterday, some sofrito, Puerto Rican sofrito, and that is the magic behind our rice. If you guys could just smell this right now, you'd go crazy, I'm telling you. So we then, after that, we add some tomato paste, tomato sauce. Just about that much. We're cooking about 8 cups of rice. So we gotta get heavy on these seasonings. We let that get back to another boil, real nice and good. And then we'll keep adding our ingredients. So we'll see you guys in a minute. We already got the sofrito, tomato sauce. We added some sazon, Goya. Todo lo que Goya es bueno. And we add some jamon, Goya jamon powder in there. And we let all that goodness and great seasonings get together and make a nice happy place for the rice. We're letting it simmer. Now we're gonna add our beans, canned beans, and we let that in there and let all that simmer and get into goodness. And we'll add a can of water just to let all that just get to a nice happy place, like I said. And this is our base for our rice. And we'll show you guys what's coming next in a few minutes. Oh, over here, we got some ribs getting ready to boil. We're gonna add some garlic powder, some onion powder, and barbecue sauce, and let that boil for about a good hour, hour and a half. After that, we'll go ahead and put that into the oven and bake it for about 350 degrees for about 25-30 minutes. Add a little bit more barbecue sauce on top. And boy, look at here, I tell you what, them barbecue sauce gonna make you lick your fingers. Ah! So, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. We got the ribs going, we got the rice getting ready to go. We got my brother David over here cutting the vegetables for our crab salad. We got onions, green peppers, yellow peppers, red peppers, some cilantro, and we're gonna get some mayonnaise and some crab meat, and that's gonna be good. So, brother David, you keep doing what you're doing there, looking good. And we'll keep walking you guys through the process. See you in a little bit. Then I got baby finishing the final touch on the crab salad. Trying to hide from the camera. And we got our sister Yandery over there. Trying to stay in the corner away from the camera. She gotta get in Jana, right? What are we putting in, babe? What are we putting in?
Some pepper.
Pepper, what else?
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
And pink Himalayan salt.
Pink Himalayan salt. Oh man.
Healthier option.
That's gonna be tasty. Born to fish, forced to work, live to fish. Custom cup with my name in the back. Thank you, baby. So here we are doing the last step of the dinner. We got the fish in the oil, snapper getting fried. We got the whiting already filleted and fried. It's in there, bam. And we got the rest of the fish from here, getting ready to go in the oil. We got the rice with beans and bacon, and we got the ribs in the oven. And we're gonna get to all that soon. So we're just waiting on the wife to get back with a few things from the store that we needed, last minute things. And we'll be setting the dinner table here shortly with all of our family and friends. So stay tuned to the next process. Thank you, have a good one.
El cocinero Tito.
So this is what I'm talking about, guys. You fish, you go out, you have a great time, you come back home, and you get to have and spend time with your family and friends.
Oh, yeah.
This is the part that I love and I cherish the most of going out and fishing. So, we'll catch you on the next video. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we catch you out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is time for dessert. And I know you see this beautiful cake we have here from Yandery Desserts. And here we have Miss Yandery, and we have her husband, David. And just tell us a little bit of what your company is, what do you guys make, and where people can find you if they want to get a cake or something specialty made.
CEO of the company, Yandery Desserts, and here is what? Carrot cake
With cream cheese.
with cream cheese and the autumn, right? Season on it. That's why you see the sprinkle, because we are on that season. As you see the table of the Vasquez.
Fall season.
Yep, the fall season. And you can reach our Facebook and Instagram, Yandery's Dessert, YANDERY Desserts. And there you can see the pictures and you can contact and make your order. We're ready to do your cake.
Awesome.
right?
So you guys already know, you want something sweet? Call Yandery's Desserts. Catch you later. Yo.
Here's one. You don't know what you make.
And David, of course, is going to promote. That's his wife.
No, for real, it's delicious.
It's amazing. Lorraine,
Amazing. Delicious.
you guys like it?
Yup. So good. So good.
Thumbs up.
Hey, chef's kiss.
Maybe.
All right, we're out of here. That's it. Next time.